This is Comrade Mark Golding, sending a brief message to the delegates of the People's National Party. I reach out to you with humility and love as you choose who will lead our beloved party into the future. My mission is to unite the party, rebuild our organization, and make it fit and strong to lead Jamaica forward on our noble mission to uplift the Jamaican people. My leadership embraces respect for each other based on our love for our party and will include all comrades under one big tent to pursue our common purpose. Under my leadership, the party will focus on delivering a robust political education program, revitalizing our party groups to strengthen and motivate our base. I will be an inclusive, compassionate, and caring leader. The O.T. Fairclough Trust Fund will be established to provide tangible support for vulnerable party workers whose living conditions are unacceptable. $15 million is already in place to get it started. We must show love to our party workers who have loyally served our movement for so much of their lives. I am committed to visiting divisions and constituencies all across Jamaica to support our caretakers and candidates and bring our party back into government. I am confident that we will once again achieve greatness and build a Jamaica where the principles of equality of opportunity and social justice stand for all. This is my solemn promise to you, the delegates, and the wider party, and indeed all the people of Jamaica. I thank you, comrades, for your confidence and support. God bless you all.
Go with Golding.